Hey everyone, John and here from School of Trade. Today we're going to be taking a look at a short trade here on gold with the buyers completely falling apart at the highs of the range. Now our entry point at 1317.1, which means our target has to be equal to it. So I'll move our target right there and the stop is going to go above the highs. So in terms of the way that this is setting up, it's very obvious that sellers own this market. We had a huge rally over in the overnight session going into Sunday, but when we ran into the prior high of day, it completely fell apart. Massive rejection off the highs. When they came back, it fell apart again. So it's very obvious that sellers own this market, at least in the short term. Looking backward a little bit here, we have a very large 5-minute bull candle right there. And the fact that that candle formed, the highs were acting as a strong area of resistance. And that's really where the range kind of began. We can see that they can't really close past it. They fail, they fail, they fail. They form a triple top across the highs here. When they come back, they can't even get back up to the highs anymore. We're seeing a massive amount of failure. Look at that snap down too. So knowing that information, when the buyers finally get a shot at breaking out through the highs, they completely fail and drop right back down. And that bear candle is no joke. Every seller on the planet is going to be selling underneath that, and every buyer on the planet is going to be exiting underneath that, knowing that they were wrong if they didn't take profit targets on the run higher. So what does that leave us with? Well, that leaves us with a pretty heavy bearish bias. There are going to be a lot of buyers who are stuck in the move, who maybe bought this big candle or tried buying some form of a pullback. Their stops underneath the lows, maybe underneath there, and that's where the market is likely going to go. The huge amount of orders in one place creates somewhat of a gravity where it draws the price back into it. And in this case, it took them all out. So just a beautiful move to the downside, very fast trade, but that's exactly the way that we like it in this case. Nice move down, did exactly what we were looking for off a failure off the highs, and that's going to do it for me. So if you have any questions about it, feel free to send an email into School of Trade. Don't forget to check out our trial at schooloftrade.com, and as always, we'll catch you next time.